Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to walk through the key features which employees who aren't in management roles can use in ActivityTimeline. As an employee, your default view is Workspace. Here, you can manage your schedule, backlog, and work logs across different projects. In My Schedule, you can see what's currently planned for you in this period. To navigate between different periods, use arrows on the top panel. You can also switch between different views like 1 week, multiple weeks, or even a full month. If you have the right permissions, you can plan your schedule effortlessly by dragging and dropping tasks directly from the issue panel. It displays your backlog and includes filters to help you easily organize and manage your tasks. When you click on the task, you'll see key details like its deadline, status, and time estimate. Additionally, you have the flexibility to make updates, adjust the estimate, change the task dates, or update its status to keep everything on track. To schedule time off, click on an empty cell in the timeline or use the New Task button at the top. Choose the event and set the start and end dates. Need to make changes later? No problem. Just drag the event along the timeline or click on it to update the details. ActivityTimeline isn't just for viewing your schedule, it's also a powerful tool for tracking your time. There are a few simple ways to log your time. You can click directly on the chart for the day you want to log time, quickly log time to tasks you previously worked on through My Logged Hours table. Use the Log Work button at the top or start the timer and stop it when you finish your task.
1 hour later.
It's that easy. Additionally, you can also log time directly into the task simply by clicking on it and using the shortcut link there. This will open a dialog where you can select a predefined time spent or enter a custom one. You can also set the date or log time across multiple days. Pick a category, like billable and non-billable. Add a work log description, and choose the issue you're logging time for. There are a few convenient options to help you select an issue. The Recent tab displays your last viewed issues. My Issues shows tasks assigned to you, and the All tab allows you to search through all issues you have access to. Here you can also track your progress by looking at the pie chart that will show you required versus logged hours for a selected period, as well as bar charts for daily logged hours visualization. After logging your time, head over to My Schedule, My Logged Hours, or My Work Log Details to review and manage your time entries. If your Jira permissions allow, you can make edits. This includes changing dates, cloning time entries by resizing them for multiple days, or deleting them by dragging them to the lower left corner. You can also update work log category and add comments in My Work Log Details. For more detailed insights, export your data by clicking on the Excel button. If the timesheet approval process is enabled in ActivityTimeline by your manager, additional rules will apply. Once a work log is approved by the manager or a timesheet period closes, you won't be able to edit your entries or create new ones. Aside from the Workspace, you can also review your work logs in the Timesheets module, which offers 3 different views to help you with that. Progress view shows how much time you've logged compared to what was expected from you based on your capacity. In the Timeline view, you can see your daily log time, with colors showing different percentages of time spent. More details are available under the explanation icon. You can also break down your time by project, issue, or epic. For a closer look at all your work logs, switch to the detailed view. Here, you can group data, add custom fields, and see all your entries in one place. There are times when you need a big picture view of where your team is. That's what the planning module is for. It displays your team's assignments, so you can quickly see who is working on what. ActivityTimeline also integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, making it easy to import your meetings and out-of-office events automatically. Once imported, your meetings will appear under the Calendar Events box. Click it to open the list and see more details. These events, along with your out-of-office time, are factored into your workload calculations, ensuring accurate planning. To set it up, go to My Account, select Calendar Integration, and click Import from Google Calendar. approve the integration, choose the calendars you want to sync, and click Update. It's that simple. When it comes to reports, Activity Timeline offers a variety of planning and forecasting options, but as an employee, your key focus is the leave report. This report gives you a clear overview of your days off, holidays, sick leaves, and vacations, helping you stay up to date with your time off. That's it from us. We sincerely hope that this video was useful and you learned something new today. However, there's so much more to discover, so be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about Activity Timeline. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support.